All right, so this lesson is on biconditional statements, which are a little bit different than the conditional statement that we talked about last time. So what is a biconditional statement? A biconditional statement is a statement that can be written in the form if and only if. And we will abbreviate if and only if. Sometimes you'll see it abbreviated IFF for if and only if. So more specifically, what does this mean? So if and only if form, you're really, if you look at this symbolic form, it says P to Q, but it also has an arrow going both ways, so it also going back this way. So what that means is an if and only if statement should be able to work both ways. And so you'll see down here that it says P should go to Q, but it should also be true that Q should go to P and still be true. So that's why you see this arrow going both ways on there. So this is called a biconditional statement. And now this, you'll notice here, P and Q are switched. That's called the converse, as you remember. So really, if the conditional statement and the converse are true, then the biconditional statement is true, okay? So a biconditional statement is true when both the conditional and the converse are true. And that's what we're gonna look at and practice here. Okay, so I have the symbolic form on the left here, and we're gonna look at a statement. Okay, it says two angles are supplementary if and only if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So we're going to write the conditional statement first. Let's do that. So if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. Okay, so that we know is true. Okay, so the converse of that would be if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees, then the two angles are supplementary. Okay, so if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees, then their two angles are supplementary. That is also true. So because of that, this is a biconditional statement up here that is true. So again, it should be the conditional and the converse should both be true for that to meet that. And that's what this really is meaning. You can see the word and in there, they both have to be true. Okay. Okay, so let's try this with another example. I wear my boots if and only if it snows. Okay, so conditional. If I wear my boots then it snows. Okay, and the converse would be if it snows, then I wear, I guess it says snow boots, then I wear my boots. It should be snow boots, but we'll just go with that. So the converse is probably true, but this, if I wear my boots, then it snows, is false. So this is probably true, but this is false. So that means this is probably, that's false. Okay. Okay, so this one, they give you the conditional. You need to write the converse, and then if both are true, you can do a biconditional. Okay, so if a solution has a pH less than 7, then it is an acid. That is true. Okay, and then the converse would be if it is an acid, then a solution has a pH less than 7. Okay, so that is also true. Because those are both true, we can already say that the biconditional is going to be true. So then let's write our biconditional. So I'm going to say if a solution, no, not if. We're going to say a solution has a pH less than 7 if and only if it is an acid. Biconditional statements are very good for definitions. You would say this is a good definition because it works both ways. So if you can write a definition as a biconditional statement, that's terrific. Okay, that's it. So your assignment is biconditional statements worksheet. I hope this lesson made sense. All right, see you, everybody.